Hi, my name is Sule. Welcome to a faster paced Kriya practice. We're going to work on coordination. And with coordination, you're going to find stronger brain power, spinal mobility, and high vibes. Let's get started. Thumbs pull the armpits forward. Fingertips stack on the sternum, rubbing up and down. And bounce the legs. This practice is going to require a lot of coordination, so if you can't do it all, just do what feels right. Now kick your legs back like you want to kick your own butt. Make your breath long, slow, and strong. If you have the practice of Ujjayi pranayama, you can do that now. And swipe the hands down the front of the body, releasing negative energy. Engage Mula Bandha with every Kriya. Mula Bandha, that's where you take the anus, sexual organs, and low belly and pull it all in and up. Add on Khetchari Mudra. That's when the tip of the tongue is touching the palate. Eyes open or closed, focus on the mid-brain. Keep all these engagements while doing your kriyas when possible. Add crossing the arms. The fingers and thumbs are like claws, holding tightly to the armpit in front of the chest. With a slight bend in the knees, twist from side to side. Move fast, breathe slow. This Kriya creates lymphatic drainage, keeping your body clean and flowing. We finish the Kriya by swiping the thumbs down the front of the body, as if you're in a shower cleaning away all the dirt. Interlace the fingers behind the skull, lifting the head up. Twist from side to side. Heart to the sky, chin up, slight bend in the knees to protect the joints. Breathe long, slow, and strong. Facing forward, slide side to side as if you were against the wall and you're drawing a rainbow with your upper body along the wall. Remember to engage Mula Bandha and Khetchari Mudra for all the kriyas when possible. Release by taking the thumbs, swiping it down the front of your body, like heavy clouds releasing rain. Tapping the thighs a few times helps you to feel grounded. Tapping at the collarbone. Exhale with your tongue way out and down. Eyes up. This breathing is called Kali Mudra. This detoxes negative emotions and stuck energy. Kick the legs from side to side. Tapping the collarbone is excellent when you're feeling stuck. It gives you a clarity and a way to move forward. Now tap the collarbone simultaneously while bouncing the legs and lifting the heart. Fists on either side of your spine as high up as you can. If you can only reach your butt or low back, that's fine. The fists are massaging while bouncing the legs. One hand rubs the tailbone. The other hand is holding either side of your mouth, and your mouth is in the shape of an O, like you're going to blow out a candle. Pursed lips breathing. Ideally with closed eyes looking upward. Circle the hips. This is a bizarre looking Kriya. The mouth and the anus are connected, and this Kriya works on the energy flow through that channel. Rotate the hips in the opposite direction. This Kriya is also good for helping you to feel grounded, steady, and lubricates the spine for better mobility, and moving that spinal fluid aids brain function. Drop the Kriya by swiping it clean, slap the thighs a few times, and relax. Tap the back of the head. Jog in place. Kali Mudra exhales. Kali Mudra can release, can eliminate negativity. Tap from the back of the skull to the bottom of the neck. Tapping here, back of the neck, releases the fear generated by the mind. All right, cradle the head, send the chin and heart up skyward. Give it a bounce. With each exhale, you make a sa sound, like the word salt. Sa, sa. The sa sound opens up the chest, and the ah sound is a release and detoxification. And keeping your hands on the back of your head, come into horse stance. Slide side to side, like your upper body is painting a rainbow against a wall. These lateral movements create spinal fluid that lubricates the vertebrae for better mobility. It also nourishes the brain. If you feel a need to cough, laugh, cry, burp, yawn, etc., do it. Your body is discharging stuck energy. And finishing that Kriya by swiping it down the body like you're cleaning house. Slap the thighs a few times. Release Mula Bandha, release Khetchari Mudra. Check in with how your body feels. Grab as much flesh as you can below the belly button, above the pelvic bone, the kundalini, and shake it up and down. Keep the shoulders relaxed. Mouth open, teeth together, breathe through the teeth. The breath will sound like a snake, a hissing sound. This Kriya will reduce self-doubt and frustration. Breathe deep and slow, or for more detoxification, breathe deep and fast. And sweep it clean with Kali Mudra. Mouth is open, teeth together. Breathe through your teeth, ideally with the closed eyes looking to the mid-brain. Knuckles rub the ribs. This opens up the intercostal muscles for easier breathing. It also corresponds to the liver meridian called the Gate of Hope, which offers vibrancy, motivation. It helps to stop depression and the feelings of feeling flat. And let it go. Swipe it down. Slap your thighs a few times. Fingertips together at the front of the shoulders. Legs come into horse stance. Circle the elbows. Breathe through your mouth, and the shape of your mouth is like you're about to blow a kiss. You're breathing through pursed lips. You can keep the breath long, slow, and strong, or breathe fast with the strong, forceful exhale, ideally with the closed eyes focused in the midbrain. Clasp the hands in front of the heart and flap your elbows like they're wings. Slap into the rib cage. Shoulders stay down and are soft. Hands like namaste. Send the namaste up to the sky and back down to the abdomen. Repeating the fast up and down movement. Breathe through the teeth. Eyes focusing on the midbrain. You can breathe deep and slow while moving fast, or breathing deep and fast in rhythm of the arms, which will create more fire, more detoxification. Breathing through your teeth makes the lungs strong. This removes carbon dioxide from the body and is especially beneficial for the largest organ of your body, the skin. Now we are ready to do a Prana Upsurge. Create a seriously strong Mula Bandha, taking the sexual organs, anus, and low belly in and up. Khetchari Mudra, the tongue tip and the eyes are up. Empty your lungs of breath so you have no air in you. Do not breathe in. Using your stomach muscles, pump your low belly in and out with empty lungs. When you need to breathe again, inhale, raising your namaste up to the sky. Exhale, slap the thighs. Inhale, raise the hands. Exhale, slap the thighs. And relax. Notice how your body feels. All right, horse stance. Cross your arms, hold on to the tops of your ears, pull the tops of your ears as you exhale with Kali Mudra. Then you do the same with the middle of your ears and earlobes. Pull and exhale. Your fists are going to fold your ears forward. Move the ears up and down. Bounce the horse stance. Breathe deep, slow, and smooth, or if you want more firepower, breathe deep and fast. And to finish, release from the back of your neck, swiping forward, taking out any negative energy. Thumbs and fingers dig into the upper arms like claws, like vice grips. Elbows to the sky. Your forearm is pressing the tip of your nose down, but you can still breathe through the nose. Rock your upper body side to side. And drop the arms. The heel of one hand taps the forehead, the other hand taps the back of the head. Jog in place. Kali Mudra. This Kriya can help you feel more connected to everything, like you're one with Source, and it can help you sleep better. And drop. Slap the thighs. Feel. One fist rubs at the tailbone. The other hand makes a pinhole telescope so you can look through a pinhole of the sun, or clouds, or trees. Breathing slow and deep through your pursed lips. Release, slapping your thighs a few times. And a couple more Upsurge Kriyas. The thumbs pull the ears forward. Place your pinky finger on the tip of your nose, pressing the nose tip down. Your ring finger is going to go in the inside corner of the eyes. Middle fingers at the middle of the eyebrow, pressing upward. Pointer fingers at the outside corner of your eyes. Wiggle the fingers up and down. This is an excellent Kriya to give you better eye health and for concentration. Sending energy upward like this, we are raising our vibration. Grab your eyebrows with your thumb and first finger. Pinch. Stick your tongue out and up. This is breath of Saraswati. Breathe through the mouth over the tongue. Wiggle your eyebrows sideways. Besides lifting your energy up, this Kriya is good for eyesight and to lubricate the joints. Last Kriya. Interlace your fingers with the fingertips in the webbings. The thumbs are free and grab the tip of your nose. Pull your nose up and down. Breathe deep and slow. Here we are encouraging the energy upward. This activates the Sushumna Nadi, which is the central and most important channel. And release. Today we've been working on the spine and mind, so you shine. In addition, this practice helps to clear the chakras for the best version of you. Thank you for joining me with Kriya. We have come to the end of our practice. Kriya can create a lot of fire energy, a lot of heat. I'd like to offer this moving meditation for you to finish your practice. It's called Blossoms in the Spring, and it's Qigong.